In order to get the gas fees, just simply click on this option of token claim hints and scroll down. At the bottom, you would be able to find this option of get ton coin for gas. Simply click on it. Then it will redirect you over here. Click on start. And here, just simply click on this option of get referral link. And you would be getting this link. Now you can simply copy this link and share it with your friends and family, and you can also post this link on Twitter, and if anyone clicks on your link and do the transaction, you would be earning ton coin for it. You can use that ton coin in order to pay the gas fees of your dogs claiming, and this is how you would be able to do it. Otherwise, you just have to send the ton from any centralized exchange or decentralized exchange to the wallet that you have connected on the dogs. So this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.